Litejam guitar. Oh, oh, hi, hello.
So basically what it does is this. You get the app first of all. It's free, there's no subs or anything. Then you connect to the guitar via Bluetooth. And then you've got different modes. This is scale mode. So in scale mode, you pick your key, you pick your type of scale. If it's a red light, it's a root note. If it's a blue light, it's somewhere you can go in that scale. You can just swap them out like this. Let's go to scale mode. So as the change on there, you'll see him change on the guitar.
Okay, yeah, you can see.
So it just keeps you on the straight and narrow. I mean, I've been playing for ages, but I play blues a lot. And now I just use this as seasoning. So I remember a little phrase that I like, and I'll put it into a solo that I do in the band that I'm playing.
Cool, cool. Right now I'm giving a quick little tour, so much to cover, but tomorrow, Saturday, we'll do an interview. I'll take my time and you can talk about the history and everything.
May I scan your badge?
Sure.
Thank you, Santiago.
Oh, thank you, Steve. Man, that's so innovative. So cool.
Brilliant.
All right, Steve. I'll see you later, brother. How it going, man? Thank you.
Enjoy.
Found it. It's right here, man. All right, cool. Check it out, check it out, check it out. All right. Well, he's busy. Let me give you guys a little quick rundown of what's this booth's about, and then we'll let the man talk. All right. It's a pretty trip. And I like it because it's LED, RGB. So this is it, everyone. Look, check it out. Litejam.
Box office story. Yeah, he makes things great. Tube amp. So think about the SONOR system in like a tube rock.
So the whole guitar, it's LED, the fretboard. It's even an LED right now, right here. There you go, look, the whole inlets, all the inlets have, cool, huh? Litejam guitar.
Hey!
What's up, my man?
How are you doing? Santiago,
good.
how's tricks? Are you well?
Well, are you ready for the...
Yeah.
Take it away. You can take as long as you want. You can go in depth, the history, whatever you want to talk about.
Ready?
All right, cool.
Hello, I'm Steve from Litejam, and we're here at Namm to launch our new products. This is the product itself. It works via an app, which you can download to your phone or your tablet on Apple or Android. Once you've downloaded it, you pair it to the guitar with your Bluetooth facility. It will recognise the guitar like you pair with your speaker. Once you've done that, you've got control of the fretboard, so you can put your key. And then there's 22 different scale types down here. And as you change it up, it will change the lighting on the guitar fretboard. If it's red, it's going to be a root note, which in this case is F, so all the red lights are F. And any blue lights are viable notes within that scale that you can play in the key of F. So it's got chord mode as well. It's also got what we call radius mode, which is if you just want to use it as a visual aid on stage to make your performance look more exciting, then you can do that too. We're going to keep adding functionality to the app, and we're going to keep adding new things that it will do over time. If you'd like to follow us, visit litejam.com, or you can check us out on social media at Litejam Guitar litejam.com. Sorry, just Litejam Guitar. That's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, etc. Thank you very much. Cheers for your time.
Cool. All right, man. So how's it gone? What is the people's reaction? What?
Very good, yeah. We've had.
Let me get you all around.
Hello, everybody. Last day of Namm. Please make the effort to be here next year, because it was a close call this year due to the fires. Thank goodness we're all here, so making history. All right, everybody. Peace, love, and health.